Let me see. Wow! Hello everyone, this is HTTC, how to do something in China. I'm ear cleaning day. I'm super nervous because today I'm taking you on a new experience. In the past, when my ear felt itchy, I only used a swamp to clean it myself. But after constant recommendation from my besties, I finally decided to let go of my trust issues and have a try. By the way, the last time I had someone clean my ear, it was when I was a child and it was my mom. Go! Okay, now I'm waiting for my ear cleaning guy, therapist. Okay, fine.
Before the ear cleaning, the therapist cleans and disinfects my ear. Next is a simple massage to relax.
Let me get relaxed.
And the ear cleaning officially starts.
I can feel the vibrating.
She has a variety of tools, especially those related to feathers. She gently uses various small feathers on my auricle and cheeks. It's really itchy and oddly makes me a bit nervous.
I'm nervous from my inside.
She says my ears are very clean. Little did I know a giant piece of earwax was about to be picked out. Then, because my ear canal is relatively large, it's less prone to earwax blockage, which is good news.
The sound feels like you put your hand in a bag of chips, kind of like plastic.
Next is the most important part today, ear cleaning. The therapist has a small tool with a light that allowed her to see inside of my ears clearly.
Let me see. Wow!
It's really a big one. I especially like it when the feather rotates inside my ear. It's a bit itchy, but I absolutely don't want her to stop.
The feather feels better in my ear than on my face. Yeah, I made myself bleed in the ear with the swamp. So don't use swamp to clean your ear by yourself. Only water?
This part is what I was most afraid of before coming. Ear irrigation. She warns me that the water might be a bit cold, but that's not a main point at all. There was a moment when I almost feel like I was on a roller coaster, everything spinning. When the water poured out, it was already heated by my ear, and it even made a gurgling sound. Because residual moisture in the ears can cause inflammation, she not only used cotton, but also blue. I give it a name myself. Ear dryer. Look, my ear is smoking. This contains wormwood. It can sterilize and remove dampness. The step is truly amazing. Does it look like my ears would be very hot? The truth is, I didn't feel a thing. Or maybe because she blocked the hottest part with her hand, and I'm grateful for that. After ear cleaning, my whole world felt clear. It's as if I could hear those small noises that I usually can't. It's hard to say whether this is a good thing or a bad thing. Finally, there is some simple massage to relax, and essential oil to detoxify my lymphatic system.
Okay, so this is the whole step of the ear cleaning. I think the atmosphere here is quite cozy and see, the light is dark and the bed is super comfortable. But there is one thing that I will give it 8 points is that the water thing, the water part, makes me really terrifying. It is $30 for 80 minutes, so I think it's quite reasonable, right? So after watching this video, will you come here to experience this? I will definitely come back again. Congratulations! Now you know how to do ear cleaning in China. Making content is not easy. Please like and subscribe. See you next time!